Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Friends, today I am going to tell you about a very nice feature introduced by YouTube. First of all, we will move to the section. Friends, as most of all of you or some of the members have received email from YouTube about YouTube handle. What is YouTube handle? YouTube handle is a unique ID of your channel, like our email account, like our Instagram ID or Facebook ID. So this is the very nice thing that if we want to search any channel through handle, we can easily search the channel or easily tag the channel. Friends, this is very unique idea, and this is as you know, most of the person have same channel name. So if we want to search any channel name, we have facing very difficulty. So to avoid these issues, YouTube introduced a new feature, YouTube handle. How we can active this handle? This handle is activate on 14th November 2022 by YouTube. Now you can choose your handle and try to choose earlier as you can do, because if you did not choose the handle earlier, then maybe your favorite handle may choose some other person. How we can do it? In email, click on choose a handle. Hey friends, here you see your channel name, and if your handle is reserved, your handle is I have choose my YouTube channel, but I will tell you how we can reserve or choose our YouTube handle. Here I have another channel like my name. It's time to choose to handle. Click on choose handle. Okay, in handle you will see complete name. If I do not want to like this digits, I can remove this. Friends, as this handle is taken by someone, I cannot use this handle. I try to different handle. As this handle is also not available, but if I want to type some digits like 22, then this handle is readily available. As you see, this green tick is shown that it's available. I can choose this handle and confirm selection. Okay, if I will click on confirm selection, then this will be the handle of my channel. You have successfully selected your handle. Handle will start appearing on YouTube later this year. Your channel has a new URL like youtube.com, and it will show at the rate of your channel name and this one. So this is the YouTube channel, YouTube handle. Let's more about if we want to change the handle in future, we can also change, and we can type some different and then confirm selection. What is a YouTube handle? A YouTube handle is a new way for people to find you and connect with you. Unlike channel names, handle is unique to each creator, making it easier for you to establish a distinct presence on YouTube. So hurry up and choose your handles as soon as possible, so you can get your favorite handle. This is all about YouTube handle. Friends, if you are facing any issue while doing active YouTube handle, you can write me in comments. I will give you support. Thank you. Bye.